hate my fucking laugh.
Motherfuckers wanna find me.
Right.
First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Fall so hard, this shit.
So, as you can imagine, I've been getting lit. Oh, my tan looks so bad. Is that bad in real life? Have I scratched myself? Well then, I guess we'll never know. So, I have decided to make a YouTube video purely because I didn't think that far. My life's boring and I'm here to try and spice my shit up because I lack friends and nobody's home, so I can be as loud as I want to be while I'm drinking beverages to get ready on a night out that I don't intend to be able to stand up after. Are you happy I cleaned my room? Or tried? That's dangerous. Ow. Foundation. So right, I need a fucking brush for starters. So I'm gonna use, these are crusty as fuck, my Dream Satin thingies. So I'm using the shade, I don't fucking know, Ivory mixed with Sun Beige, because I'd say I'm a tan ass bitch, but it's patchy as hell, so you know, we shall see. And I'm just gonna mix it and then dot. That's a decent match. Tune.
Look, baby girl, you're so damn fine though. I'm trying to know if I can hit it from behind though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine though. And when it's over, I press rewind though. Ay, you talking bands, girl, I got it.
Ah, strong!
I traded in my shoes for some robbers. You playing Batman, Fetty's on
Review time. So, I'm gonna actually stop music before anyone's like, you need to take that down. That music doesn't belong to you. So I'm gonna be like, right. Safety. So I also wet my sponge because I'm a prep ass bitch. So let's try and zoom into my ugly ass face. So I've got the shade C3 in the Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. I've got the most crusty ass under eyes ever. I don't know how much to put on, and you probably shouldn't put it on straight out, and I really hope that this isn't the wrong colour. And then blend, I assume? Question mark? It's thick as fuck. But if it covers up all my life mistakes, oh no, I don't think I like it. I don't know if I like it. I don't even know if my skin's good enough for that, you know. So, when I was off camera, unintentionally, because my family decided to come back from shopping, I put this underneath my eyes, and I was like, So, I'll try and zoom in into my ratchet ass face. So, it's actually gone quite smooth, minus that, because that's a scar. It's actually gone quite smooth and hidden all my past mistakes. I've also gone in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in shade Light Beige. This is in C3. So I've gone in with both of these and then set my face with my Stay Matte powder with a sponge. So this trick is lit as fuck. So I literally, and then just set like that. So I've done that underneath my eyes, pretty much all my face unintentionally. So now I gotta do my brows. I got a little Zoeva Bio set. Look how small these brushes are compared to like a normal eyeshadow brush. Adorable. So I'm gonna use the Zoeva, oh shit, Brow Line 322 and the Freedom Brow Pomade in soft brown. and I'm just gonna load my brush up, and she'll probably turn that down. So originally the plan was that my lot were gonna come to mine. My friend just rang me, he's like, dilemma, changing plans. I was like, go on Penting, what are you saying? And he was like, basically, everyone's at my gaff. And I'm like, okay. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up. So my brows are laminated. I kind of don't like them. So that's fun. So I'll try and like zoom you in if I can. So, hi. So when I do my brows, I've never used this brush before, so like barely go on top, and I literally swoop round. So I like my arch super high. So I'm one of them people, I don't know why I'm holding that, that's like, if you're gonna wear makeup, bitch, wear fucking loads of makeup. And I never actually wear makeup. So I don't know where I'll go in that. So I literally, first I just outline my brow, and then I just start filling it in, and then I've mainly focused the product on the, like, out a bit. And then whatever's left on the brush, I tend to go towards the front, and then most people flick up. I don't do that, I go down instead. And it just kind of helps to soften it out a little bit. And then I brush through it. So I'm gonna carve my eyebrows using my e.l.f. concealer again in light beige. I'm just gonna pop some back on my hand. I'm gonna go in with like a flat brush. My tan is fucking horrendous. Love it. Should have probably used a light concealer for this, but I'm a mess. And if you conceal your brows right, and fuck your lashes up at the same time, then people might actually be convinced that you can do makeup. Because I've not been out in ages, so I think I've lost that ability. So I'm just going to get a concealer brush which is like more domed, and just like blend that down. And then blend that little bit at the front. So with this concealer you kind of have to work fairly fast because it sets quick as fuck. Normal days makeup, everyday makeup, I don't do this at fucking all, but we're gonna make an exception because we're going out on the sesh, which is jazzy. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be this weird ass chick who can't do makeup, who chats shit on YouTube, and I'm ready for it. Wow. 2020 vibes, bitch. I was like, where the fuck's my brush? And I was holding it. So, yeah. Also, I've not drank in ages. I think the last time I drank was on my 20th birthday. That was in September. And now it's like February. It's February now. So tonight should be fun. Hi, welcome to my edition of Let's How to Be a Catfish with Char. So That's pretty much the brows done ish, apart from I'm just gonna go in with a clear mascara and set them. Should probably have done this before concealer, but we're not all perfect, right, Stephanie? I don't know Stephanie in real life. I feel like that looks better on camera than it does in real life. I'll settle for that. I feel like my lighting's a bit too harsh. I need to get a ring light, but I'm poor. So I'm going to go in with my Vivid Baked Bronzer by Revolution in shade Golden Days. It's like, she's well loved, okay, she's well loved. And we're just gonna, don't be shy ladies and gentlemen, don't be shy. And I pull my hairline back and I proper get it in my hair. So everyone's like, oh my god, why is your hairline orange? And I'm like, bronzer, question mark? And I'm just going in with my bronzer brush, which to be fair was like £2 off like eBay or something. And it's like tapered almost. So I go along my forehead and I pull all my hair back. And I'm not all neat with my makeup, but I feel like none of us are unless we're all like Holly Boone or like, I don't know, whoever the fuck else, who is messaging me. Can you see how laminated brows are just like not the one on Sly? But like, I keep doing it to myself, so. So contour or bronze like double chin away. And I always put a little bit down my nose. I fucking hate my voice. I'll go down my nose, tip, and then I go, and I kind of, whatever's left on the brush, just on my cheeks, just to blend everything in. And then if we're feeling really bronzy, because we're going out, we're going with this one, which is again the Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock On World. So this is a little bit more orange tone. So we don't go as ham with this, we just go a little ham. And we literally, so can you see how it's a touch bit darker? I hope you can. But, and it's a lot more glowy as well. So we just literally go around the edges of the face with this one. I literally live and breathe for Revolution because I'm a broke ass bitch and we ain't spending like nearly 500 quid on like makeup every other fucking month. So I use the HD Pro palette and I tend to mix these two shades here and I use a fan brush to contour because I'm fucking lazy. I hope I relate to somebody out there. Just watch, this looks like sick on camera and in real life I look like a fucking cake. Oh, by the way, I just go in with a lighter shade just to clean up my contour. And I just pop it in the middle of my forehead, down my nose and on my chin. And maybe under my eyes. Because you can never have too much powder. Especially when you're an oily ass bitch. And then I go in with the Obsession Isn't It Peachy palette, which, oh god, I hate like proper pink blushes like this one here. I'd never touch. I tend to mix these two on a stippling brush. And I actually washed my makeup brushes like 2 weeks ago. And I'm like dead proud of myself. So I'm going to mix Daydream and Hint together and Smile to the Haters. So I'm going to leave my highlight till last. And I'm going to go in with my original Naked palette, which is kind of loved, almost, not really. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe M575 brush, and I'm going to use the shade Naked and Buck mixed together. And I kind of like have to use the mirror of this just to... I love having lash extensions, but I also hate having them at the same time. But I need some on my lids because otherwise. So it just adds like a little something. And blend the fuck out of that. So I tend to put quite a bit just in this bit here, because it kind of gives you the illusion that your nose is like pinched. I'm going to go into my Be Perfect Carnival palette, which is quite new. And I thought there were black in this. Never mind. I'm going to use the shade Rowdy, which is like this brown up in the corner. A little tap off, and I'm just going to, on the outer corner, and then blend, because it kind of like makes it look a little bit more sultry. I don't even know if you can see what I can do, what I'm doing, or what I'm trying to do. I don't claim to be an makeup artist. I certainly don't want to be one. I'm quite happy painting nails and waxing vaginas, as I am a beautician. I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush, and I'm going to take Rowdy again, a little tap off, and I'm going to go right in the crease just to deepen it up. And also pretend to know what the fuck I am doing. And I'm going to go underneath and pop myself in eye. That looks fucking awful. But, meh. We won't care in about 5 hours or so. I'm going to take my Be Perfect Zero palette for that Mitchell. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics 140 tapered highlighting brush and mix Made It and Barely together. And we're just gonna glow to the gods, ladies. Do we see this? If anybody wants a highlighting palette ever, every single time, this will win every single time. I'm gonna mix the two same shades together, and we're just gonna right down the middle, and I'm just gonna use the shade barely on my inner corner. In fact, no, I'm gonna use this brush because it's bigger and I'm lazy. Oh, do we see this? Oh, she's a naughty little thing, that. And I always put some on my chin. I realise some people don't like this, but love it. Lovely. Wow, if you could see my setup right now, it's so messy. I don't like that gin, I don't like that mixer, and I realise I look 12, but so my camera decided to overheat, so while you've been gone, I just put bottom lash mascara on, and I use the I don't know what this is, Intense Colour Lip Liner, I don't know, in shade Sincere, I don't know the brand. And I'm also using the Essence Colour Boost Mad About Matte lipstick. And my lips look like shit. Hi! So, oh, shit lighting, hang on. There we go. So, since last time you saw me, I have put on a bit more makeup and got a little bit more drunk. So, this is my face close up. And this is my outfit. This is extremely unprofessional, but I'm gonna go and get lit. So thank you for watching my car crash of a makeup video. Hopefully you learn absolutely fuck all. I will go out and get very smashed. I'd say I love you, but I don't know who I'm talking to, because I could probably have like one person watching me, so. Hi, big up the one viewer. I keep looking at my makeup in the fucking viewer now, because I'm like, we did makeup, what the fuck? But yeah, thanks, I love you so much for watching. I will have a sambuca shot for all of you. Goodbye.